Why is your internet so slow at night? You're not imagining it. Between 7 and 11 p.m., internet speeds can drop by 25 to 40% in many areas. Here's exactly why it happens and what you can do about it. The biggest culprit is network congestion. Cable internet providers like Spectrum, Xfinity, and Cox use shared infrastructure in your neighborhood. When everyone gets home and starts streaming Netflix, gaming, or video calling, you're all competing for the same bandwidth. Think of it like a highway during rush hour. Fiber internet handles this much better. Providers like AT&T Fiber, Verizon Fios, and Google Fiber use dedicated connections that don't slow down with neighborhood traffic. If fiber is available at your address, it's the single best fix for slow nighttime speeds. If fiber isn't available, here are 3 things you can try right now. First, connect your device directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi adds latency and is affected by interference from your neighbor's networks. Second, reboot your router. This clears the memory and reestablishes your connection. Third, check if your router is outdated. If it's more than 3 years old, upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6 router can dramatically improve performance. You can also run a speed test at different times of day to document the slowdown. If your speeds consistently drop below what you're paying for, call your provider. They may need to upgrade the node serving your area, or you may qualify for a plan upgrade at no extra cost. For an unbiased comparison of internet providers available at your address, visit InternetProviders.ai. We analyze real speed data, pricing, and availability for every zip code in America.